Today, we will talk about how to start a car insurance company. Let's have a look at the details. Since car insurance is required to drive in most places, and since driving continues to increase in popularity, demand for car insurance companies continues to rise as well. If you can come up with the investment capital and are looking to get in the business of making money by offering a service that fulfills a legal requirement levied upon everyone who drives, starting a car insurance company may be right for you. The first step is enabling yourself to sell insurance. Obtain a property and casualty insurance license from your state. This license allows you to legally sell car insurance in the state in which you hope to operate your business, and ensures that you have the necessary knowledge and skills to do so. Construct a business plan for your car insurance company. Your business plan should outline how you'll attract customers, which insurance carriers you'll work with, and what your startup costs are expected to be, as well as your projected income for the first few years of business. Be prepared to offer as much as possible to your customers. The more policies you have, the more policy options and different rates you can offer your clients. You can even sell policies offered by other larger insurance providers. Consider purchasing an existing car insurance agency. The business acquisition has the advantages of saving time, acquiring an existing customer base, and avoiding startup costs. There are always opportunities to franchise or partner with successful insurance companies as well. Know the cost of starting a car insurance company. You need to have a good idea of how much it will cost to get the company up and running. There's no benchmark amount that is required to start a car insurance company. Your business model, your location, your experience, and your business partnerships will all greatly affect this figure. And the second step is getting your car insurance company up and running. Secure sufficient financing to get your business running. If you're planning to run your car insurance company as a full-time job, you will likely need to secure financing to do so. This will likely require either a loan or investment capital from private investors to cover your startup costs and living expenses, until you start generating revenue. Acquire a business license and insure the business itself. In order to sell insurance, you need to register in the city in which you tend to do business. You also need to get a business license from the city. Revisit and finalize your business plan. Other aspects of your long-term business plan will necessitate identifying customers and the specific sales strategies that will appeal to them, hiring qualified employees, and identifying competitors. Market your car insurance company. You need to be able to identify and contact potential clients. Advertising is a necessity, and it's worth reaching out to people you know. The keys to marketing are identifying your target market, noting what makes your products unique, and developing a strategy to communicate the reasons to purchase insurance from your company. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.